Yabesre yɛhwɛ ɛwɔ police TV so dwumadie yɛyi ɛwɔ adafo dwumadie Facebook mo a mo wɔ ha no dwumadie no ɛrekɔ so yɛyi ɛwɔ efidie so wohwɛ ɛban ho a dwumadie no ɛrekɔ so pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛwura otu no baako ne fɛ Police Royal Ladies Parade in honor of His Royal Majesty Opemsuo of Asantehene II. We have the great UIC in the person of ASP Joyce Opemsuo, who joined the Ghana Police Service in 2005 as an information analyst. She holds a master's degree in conflict, peace and security from the Opemsuo International Peace Training Center. She holds a postgraduate diploma in security studies from the University of Cambridge. From our first for PhD in computer science and serving as a system commander of the offensive protection. Of what the symbols are. In the we'll let you know what the symbols are. Thank you. The parade commander is about to seek permission from His Royal Majesty to continue with the rest of the parade.
Your Royal Majesty, inspection over. May I please have your permission to carry on?
Parade Commander just sought permission for the display to commence. So this is a brief weapon display, after which they will do a 4-count formation. The 4-count formation reflects grounded authority rooted in the land where leadership is not arbitrary but structured, measured, and balanced. The equal size and angle suggested by the number 4 equals fairness, justice, and disciplined governance. The parade therefore becomes a visual expression of leadership that is stable, legitimate, and anchored in cultural values. So that is the 4-count formation, which is forming currently. Our gallant royal ladies are forming the 4-count formation. Ultimately, the 4-count parade formation serves as an assurance to the community. It conveys that peace, law, and stability are firmly in place, upheld through discipline, collective coordination, and the ceremony that functions not only as a military or police exercise, but as a cultural performance that reaffirms order, authority, and balance within the society. So that is the 4-count formation as we are observing currently. Now we are moving to the formation of the Golden Stool. The Golden Stool, that is the Sikaja, stands as the most and enduring symbol of the Asante people. It is not merely an emblem of authority, but the spiritual, political, and cultural foundation of Asantehene. Its significance transcends kingship, leadership, and time and body. So what you are seeing now, those watching on the TV, you can see the Sikejwa, the Golden Stool, which has been formed by our gallant Golden Stool royal ladies from the national. A round of applause. So the third formation is Ayekoo. You know what police from Bama say? You are Otubo. Omudase. Would you be here? Who is to my power? Would you Emma Asantehene Ghana mine? As to be here, Ghana, Abagana. Omudu the Ayekoo. Ayekoo Emma. Ọmọ akọni kàtẹ́wé ayíkó àwọn ṣe nana ojú gbogbo yóò Ghana police sáà yẹn ayi. Very soon, the great commander is about to ask permission to march on the parade for the continuation of today's sacrificial ceremony. The great commander is the party of the man. At the third time, if you are
Your Royal Majesty. Drill display over. And please have your permission to march on the parade. Yes, Royal.
ASP Kafi Ajuma and I will commander. Enche the Royal Salute no a group ya be pejan mo.
Royal salute!
The best of people I will be on pejan mo. Serena Obiat Nasi Amay.
Right, move, march up in column of route. Move to the right in column of route. Right, turn.
Jubedi nyina abewie yenkola no ebe machi Royal Ladies, Police Royal Ladies. Eti nananom adihye you know, no to say pro, you know, no man more parade non, the pro more Police Royal Lady. The better, Inspector General of Police, Christian Tateo Nasi. Jubadiana is in the nice of Onunti, and a Yedian animal man of free crime, and then you know, my police for paying for free crime in Abba, you say, and they about assume Yura. Now, a presidino, I decline. Our people know, yes, you have a ship. It's the police banda. You will not soon the fire. Led by DFC Felix Mabua, Opemsuo, the police band, and everything. Of that Secretary of National Headquarters. The police are going out back. They are paying the necessary services. Prince Royal Majesty, Opemsuo. Police once again, we say thank you for making this very a success. Mr. Christian Tateo, the Ghana Police Service is proud of you for bringing Ghana Police closer to Menchia Palace. We appreciate you so much for this honor done, our ladies and all officers here present, and the whole Ghana Police Service. Yeah, the women are from here. Police Royal Ladies, thank you very much for that wonderful performance. We do appreciate that. You made the Special General Police, Christian Tateo, and his gallant officers very, very proud. Today's performance has been splendid, so beautifully done. Thank you very much for that wonderful display of drill. Thank you. Thank you all for coming. We appreciate you all for honoring the invitation and being part of today's great ceremony.
Asantehene.